Hello everyone. This is Oklahoma Weather Blog severe weather coverage. Really, this I don't expect to be on for terribly long, but I do want to cover the severe storms in the state, including this tornado warning in northeastern Oklahoma. It's just north of Lenape, south of South Coffeyville. But the area of circulation is going to be right there, which is just about 2.5 miles north of Lenape. Movement on this storm is southeast. Um, again, it was radar indicated. Storm motion is southeast at 40 miles per hour. Again, that's just radar indicated. No confirmed reports as of now. Um, Let me pull up my chat here. Just monitor it in case anybody has any questions while I'm on. Um, so we have this line of severe thunderstorms through much of northeastern and central Oklahoma. The storms did fall in central Oklahoma. So what that means is we have a much longer severe weather threat risk area. Storm conditions right now are generally warned for 70-mile-per-hour winds and up to golf ball size hail is, I believe, the highest I've seen. Quarter sized. Golf ball size. Oh, there we go. And that's gonna be ping pong ball sized. There is a lot of convection occurring. Really, it's going to continue moving south and east. It's just going to continue to fan out and grow into a line here despite some of these gaps between storms. See, what's that? I have to watch that very carefully. Just north of Guthrie. See what occurs with it. Hey, Barbara. Um, let's see. Again, pretty scattered line right now, broken line, but I do expect this to firm up as the night goes along. Once these storms start going, they blow up in a hurry and get going quickly. So really, you aren't going to have much of a heads up if you're in the gap. They'll just start blowing up very quickly, and before you know it, there's severe winds, 60, 70 mile per hour wind gusts, and up to golf ball sized hail right now. I do expect hail sizes to continue to trend up at least in the short term before kind of leveling off and eventually decreasing. So most of the warnings out are for 60 mile per hour winds and golf ball sized hail. Again, we do have this tornado warning in effect. It's really for east of Lenape now. Circulation has really dropped off. Not a huge concern right now. It could easily ramp back up, but again, this is radar indicated rotation. That's the area we are looking at. Again, that's 3 miles northeast of Lenape. But again, tornadoes are not the main threat today. It is severe wind gusts exceeding 70 miles per hour, and especially as these storms transition to a linear storm mode. And then somehow residual hail left over later this evening as the storms will continue to increase in hail size for the next hour or so, and then they'll get into a less favorable environment for hail, but sustain a wind threat with them. some of the locations in severe thunderstorm warnings: Piedmont, The Village, Oklahoma City, Mustang, Guthrie, Meridian, Fallis, Yale, Jennings, Hallett, Cleveland, Pure, Harmony, Skytuck, Leona, Avant, Burnsdale, Archuleta, Ramona, Oologah, Bushyhead, Chelsea, Talala, Narada, Delaware, the Lenapaw, Blue Jacket, Welch. So really pretty much pick your location along close to I-44 and you're under a severe thunderstorm warning if you're north of it. There are storms starting to fire up near Cushing, Samrock, Perry, Orlando. Expect these to grow very rapidly. There we go. Get into a little bit different view of radar here. Pull up my 4-panel display. Really, this Guthrie storm, Meridian storm, has a small hook to it, but there's no really tight circulation now. That's something that I wanted to watch that I mentioned earlier. Again, there's a tornado warning in effect for northeastern Oklahoma near Lenapaw. Really, the circulation has kind of fallen apart, but the tornado warning continues. It's radar indicated. So really, we're going to be looking somewhere right in there for a possible tornado threat. Again, we're just kind of hanging out for a little bit, watching these storms form. Not too concerned with that tornado warning right now. Of course, always take your tornado precautions inside a tornado warned storm. Let's check out these storms here. Again, I would keep a close eye on this Guthrie storm. It looks interesting, not so it's anything. And as I was talking about earlier, we now have a severe thunderstorm warning for Perkins and Ripley. Again, this storm went up quickly. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. So what I'll do is I'll talk about some of the macro, what we can expect later this evening. Again, this line will push south and east throughout the next few hours. I do expect more storms to develop along in this area. So be on the lookout for storms starting to form now. There's a little boundary in the atmosphere, about mid layers of the atmosphere, where these storms are going up on. These will occur and then start to move south and east. Again, wind and hail threat will be the primary threats. Can't rule out an isolated tornado. Again, not the main threat today. Your main threat's going to be damaging winds. I think the wind events will do more damage than the tornadoes do today. And large hail will always poses a threat. Again, not seeing a tight area of circulation. Just Lenapaw storm. So that's good. Maybe right now, but nothing really showing up. on any of our products. So I'll stay on for a little bit. Does anybody have any questions they'd like to ask? Again, I'm not going to sit here all night and just talk about these line of storms. Really, the dynamics would get pretty monotonous sitting on here for hours. But I'll always continue to monitor just in case we do have a spin up there. But right now, I'm not seeing anything urgent that would indicate a spin up now. So again, as we head into this evening and overnight areas, do expect the wind threat to increase, the wind speeds to increase with these storms, or the wind gusts, and how to for the next hour peak at around baseball sized hail before dropping off to lesser sized hailstones, around ping pong ball sized hailstones. Again, tornado threat is not zero, but it isn't the main threat today. But your highest risk for tornado will be for the next 3 hours in this area that I've circled here. So, what I'm going to do is, since nobody has any questions, I'll leave this video up after I get off the field for anybody to go back in and listen to, as it's a quick little soundbite of what's happening. But thank you for listening. I appreciate it, and stay tuned with multiple weather sources as conditions can and will change.